Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be sharing a couple things into one video just because I think it's really easy. Like these pipe cleaner hearts that I did out of the 99-cent store pipe cleaners. You can get them at Dollar Tree as well as any craft store, Walmart even. But I just picked these ones up at the 99-cent store. It's this packet. It comes with pink, hot pink, red, purple, and then all these cute little pom-poms and googly eyes, all for $1. And so I did these hearts, and this one I twisted the pipe cleaner to kind of hold it. And a couple of them I did hot glue here in the center, but the rest I figured you didn't need any of that. You can just glue it to your project and it'll stay, but you don't have to glue it, so you don't need your glue. I did use these cutters because I didn't want to damage my scissors, but the scissors will cut it, so if you have like some scissors that you don't really care about, you can cut it with just regular scissors. And you just have to like fold it with your hands. You don't need any other tools. So I'm going to show you, and this is the other project I'm going to be sharing. So I got, for these big ones, I did a larger piece, but you can get 3 of like these sizes with one pipe cleaner. So I'm going to be doing one of these larger ones. I don't actually remember. I eyeballed everything. So I got different, all my sizes are different. So here is about half. And all I did was just fold it over, bend it, I guess I should say, into a heart shape. Actually, I folded it first in the center, then I did the heart shape there. And then you can use something if you need to use like a marker or a pencil. So you can even do these style of the heart. Can you see? And I'll show you again. So you just keep shaping it until you get it how you want. ¿Qué pasó, papi? Salud. Salud. Okay. And you're just gonna bend it. Shape it till you get the shape you want. And like I said, you can hot glue the center. You can do that, but you don't have to. So if you're doing like these in the car or something, you don't need to have any of those tools. But I'll show you what I did with the other one. I kind of overlapped it like that, and then I used my other pliers to kind of like twist it like that. So you can do that as well. And I think you can get one of these. I don't know which one. I think it's one of these at the Dollar Tree. And I don't know how good they are, but for pipe cleaners, they should probably be okay. So there you go. That's the first project that I wanted to share. And I did share it on my Instagram, but I haven't had time to do any videos. I'm actually about to leave as soon as I finish this one. Okay, so here's my second project. This is a cute little monkey that I punched out of this punch. Now this punch I got it Tuesday morning, like 2 years ago, and I never used it. So it's just been sitting there forever. I thought about destashing it because I thought the monkey looked kind of weird, and I thought it looked more complicated. But it's not that complicated. It's just a lot of little pieces. So here's the little monkey. And I'll show you. I used all scraps for this. So here are the scraps of, make sure I get enough. There's a texture side and a non-texture side. Just to make sure, I guess, you get the right side, because one of the legs is in the tail is one side, and then or in both arms, and then this foot and the head is the other side. Okay, so here are the pieces. Now let me see if it's gonna be enough. You just punch it out, and here's the pieces. I'm not into tiny pieces like these eyes. No, I'm just gonna throw those out. I'm only gonna do the nose. So here's one of the nose. Well, one nose, and then what else is there? So I'm not doing the eyes. You can do that mouth, but I'm gonna try to do it red to see how it looks. That's the body. This part goes in the center. I'm not gonna use this color. And there's one leg. So what I'm gonna do is, well, these are all different. Okay, who cares? Okay. 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 There we go. Cut a strip because you don't need all these pieces. The leg, for some reason, is all the way at the bottom. I feel like they didn't think this through. If you need different pieces, it should be, I think, at the top, so you can just punch. You know, I don't need an extra tail, so I'm just gonna do here. And then again. Then again, that's 3, and then one more. So like I said, I'm using all my scraps. These scraps have been in my scrap pile for about as long as I've been crafting. I have a separate pile for like cardstock, and my kids can dig into that, the colored cardstock. I have a separate pile for like the pretty cardstock. So I just grabbed these from there. Oh, one more. I'm using this color for the face, like right there. There's that. And I'm gonna see if I can do the mouth, because the red cardstock that I have is a thicker cardstock. It was fine. This red cardstock from Michaels, it comes in 80 pound instead of the regular 65. Okay, so now I'm gonna glue this together. So I just used this thing, this wet glue, and I did the face. Just a little bit. Then So I know not everybody's gonna have this punch, but I figured a few of us picked it up from Tuesday morning when they did have it, and maybe you, just in case some of you haven't used it because of the same thing, same reason, just thought I'd share how I put it together. I know I do that a lot when I buy stuff. Sometimes I don't use it right away. Let's see. Trying to make sure that when I fold it over, that the smooth side is facing out so that it's all the same. Okay, so I'm gonna do the legs. Just place it wherever you think the monkey's legs should be. Okay. And I've seen the punch, like, after it was new and everybody was getting it. I still seen the punch, like, a few months ago. So maybe your Tuesday morning might still have it. That's how it looks in the back. I think... no. Okay, so that's, and then the tail. You can do it on the other side too. Okay, there's the tail. Okay. Okay. Then what I did is I used one of these foam hearts from Dollar Tree, but you can use any foam hearts, you know, every store has them. I just almost picked some up from Hobby Lobby, even though I already had some, but I put them back. So I'm gonna put a little bit of hot glue. Place it there. And you can totally just use it without the heart. I just thought it'd be cute for Valentine's. And then it's holding, you fold it over and then it's just like it's holding the heart. And it's so cute. And I'm gonna do hot glue for these two, for the hands. There. That's what it looks like so far. Then we have a mouth, a nose, and I'm gonna be using Google Eyes for this project. Okay. And I'm gonna be using this Pick Me Up tool because these tiny pieces. So this is my second Pick Me Up tool. The first one that I bought brand new from Michaels, the thing would not come out. It was stuck forever. And then this one will not stop coming out. So it's weird. So I'm just gonna pick it up. Wait, is it backwards? Okay. Pick it up. Put your glue. I forgot to check if I like the red. Okay. So this tool does have another side. Now I got the glue on it. To help you take it off the thing because that's sticky. Then you get the nose. Tiny dots. I don't like working with tiny pieces. I avoid it as much as possible. Okay. And then your eyes. I think I'm gonna do hot glue for the eyes. Even though the hot glue can warp your plastic because the eyes are plastic, that's fine. So just a tiny bit. And then here's the second one. This one had a piece of what's it called? Glue dot adhesive here that I totally forgot to take off. I didn't have any ghoul eyes this tiny, guys. I had to take him off those Target dollar spot stickers. I just took it off from there. And that's your little monkey, your little love monkey. And then for the back, I had another piece. Where is it? I guess this piece. You can just do any. I'm just gonna do this one. My scissors. Okay, I'm just gonna do this one. I can't find my scissors, so just to hide it. But now we have another color, so I have to hide it again. That's the end result. Now for this one, I did put some wire here. I just used some wire that I coiled, and if you put it on a card, I guess it's supposed to like be wiggly. But I mean, you don't have to do that. I'm not gonna do that for the rest. I just did it for one. And there's one more thing I wanted to add. If I can get across the camera. Okay. I made this tiny little bow. See how I like it? Okay, I don't have tiny bows. I wish I could find those little tiny bows that some people use for their projects. I don't know if they're like gems or something. And I'm always wanting a tiny bow for like to add to animal stickers or something. That's a little love monkey. So cute. Isn't it cute? Alright guys, I hope you like this project share. I will have more. I just have to get past these appointments. And I'll give you a sneak peek of what I'm showing next. I shared this on my Instagram. So I will show you how to make it. And I will show you what's inside. So I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.